Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to add a new employee role to our Salesforce. So in the top right hand corner, you see the gear icon. Click on that and click Setup, which will open up in a new tab. Now, once that's opened, in the quick find box in the top left corner, if you search for roles, you'll see it comes up underneath users. Double click on that to bring up the roles section. You will see a bit of information on the hierarchy, but ignore that and just put setup roles down here. Now you can choose who you want the role to actually report into. For me, I want this to be reporting into the sales manager. So I'm going to click add role and then the label sales employee. That will automatically fill in the role name, and then I'll put the same as it displayed on the reports as well. So you can change the access so they can either view or edit all of their opportunities. I'm going to leave it with edit. For me, I'm just adding this, so I'm going to click save, but if you've got other roles you want to add, click save and new, and that will bring up the other ones as well.